Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. Students, in this session we solve a periodic test 1 subject mathematics class 6 DAB public school. So guys, if you completed your PT-1 syllabus, that is natural number and whole number, and the third one is that is integer, then basic geometrical concept and line segment, then take the test in pen and paper and comment your score. Also, you can check your level. So, let us start the session. Full mark 40 mark. Time 1.5 hour. Actually, you see in exam that is 2 hour. So, first section A, that is choose the correct option. In this, we put the 6 questions because first question we mistakenly write the angle chapter. So, you can skip the first question. So, first we write the answer, solution. How many right angle make one straight angle? Okay, we know that straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Yes or no? And the right angle we know that is equal to 90 degree. So how many 90 degree becomes 180 degree? That is 2, because 2 9 18, that is 2 right angle make one straight angle. Okay, so answer is option number A. Now next, negative of minus 91. Okay, negative means we know that also it is known as the additive inverse. Yes or no? So this is important. So question number 2 answer is plus 91. Okay, means minus 91, then negative means minus, so minus minus plus 91. Okay, then question number 3, the value of minus 40 plus minus 5 absolute value. This is important questions. Okay, now minus 40 plus 5, here is same sign, so we know that same sign means we can add. So 40 plus 5, that is 45, and put the same sign, that is minus, then absolute value. So minus 40 absolute value is 45. So answer is A. So 3 number A. Now next question number 4. The greatest 2-digit number exactly divisible by 18. Okay, we know that the greatest 2-digit number, that is 99. Yes or no? And exactly divisible by 18 means we can divide with 18. So 18 5 ja 90. So minus, so that is 9. We know that this is the subtraction case. In subtraction case, we can direct subtract remainder from the dividend. That is 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay. Now next question. Suppose the question is the smallest 2-digit number. Smallest means we can add. Add means first we subtract from the divisor and remainder, then the number will be added. Okay. Suppose smallest 2-digit number. Okay. Divisible by 18. Okay. So sorry, divisible by 3. So first we divide with 3. So 3 3 is 9. Then 1. First we subtract, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now we add the 2, that is 10 plus 2, that is 12. The smallest 2-digit number which is completely divisible by 3, that is 12. Actually, 2 types of questions are there. One is subtraction case, another is addition case. Understand? Now, next question. The Hindu Arabic numeral for the Roman numeral, that is CC, CXL. We know that CCC means 300 because 1C is equal to 100. So 3C, that is 300 because we can add. So plus XL means 40. So 340. So option number D is the correct answer. Now next question. A dash extend endlessly in all direction. So all direction means plane. Okay. If the question is said about that is 2 direction, so 2 direction means line. Okay. If the question is 1 direction, the 1 direction is ray. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks. Question number B, section B, that is 7 number questions. 1620 into 0 into 1020, that is 0, because when we multiply 0 with any number, the product is 0. Okay. Now the opposite, first we solve, then we find the opposite. Opposite means plus minus, minus means plus. Okay, first we solve, that is 5 3 are 15, then minus minus plus, because in multiplication we know that plus into plus, that is plus, or same sign equal to plus, minus into minus also plus, but plus minus and minus plus is equal to minus. Okay, now here is 5 3 are 15, then minus minus plus. The opposite of plus 15, that is minus 15. Okay, now dash can be measured, that is line segment. Understand, line segment, right? Now next, the multiplicative inverse, or we can say that the reciprocal. Okay, multiplicative means a reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? First we convert mixed number into improper fraction, that is 7 2 is 14, 1 15 divided by 2. So 15 divided by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 15. Okay, so answer is 2 divided by 15. Now next, the additive inverse. Additive inverse means plus and minus, then minus plus. So answer is plus 24. Okay, completed. Now next, question number 12. Subtract the sum of, first we find the sum. Okay, so 12 number, sum of minus 340 and 170. So first minus 340 plus, then 170. So minus 170, because different sign, so we subtract. So 340 minus 170, that is 170, put the big number, that is minus. Now write subtract minus 170 from minus 55. So write the first formula, that is minus 55 minus minus 170. Now minus 55 minus minus plus 170. Now different sign means we subtract, that is 5, then 6 minus 5, that is 1, then 1 minus, plus 115. Okay. Now next question, question number 13. In the given figure, AE plus dash is equal to AC. AE, okay, plus dash equal to AC, that is EC. So EC. Now BD minus dash, so BD minus ED. Okay, minus ED is equal to BE. Now next, question number 14. Write all the line segment. Okay, first we can write AB. Okay, now AC, now AD, now AE and AF. Okay, similarly you can write BC, BD, then BE and BF. Okay, now also CD, CE and CF, then DE and DF, then EF. So how many? The total is 15 line segment are there. Okay, in given figure. Now question number 15, convert into Roman numeral. Okay, so question number 15, that is 94. We know that 94 means 90 plus 4, that 90 is XC, 4 means IV. Now 247, 200 we can write 200 plus 40 plus 7. So 200 means double C, 40 XL, 7 means VII. Okay, so we can write here, that is double C, XL, VII. Okay, the first one is XC, IV. Now next question, that is question number 16. Draw a line segment whose length is difference of AB and CD if AB equal to 6.9 cm and CD equal to 2.1 cm. Okay, So first we draw so question number 16. First I draw a line. Suppose this is line L. Then first put a point that is P. So here is P and draw a PM. Okay. So we can draw PQ, that is AB minus CD. Yes or no? So first draw PM is 6.9 centimeter. Okay. Now cut from M, that is 2.1, that is here is 2.1 centimeter. This is Q. Now measure the PQ. So PQ is equal to 6.9 minus 2.1, that is 8. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 4.8 centimeter. Okay. Now next question, question number 18. Using the distributive property, question number 17. Sum of two number equal to 25. Okay, sum is equal to 25 and one number is equal to minus 45. So other is equal to sum minus one number. So minus 45. So minus plus. So 25 plus 45, that is 0 to 7. So answer is plus 70. Okay. Now question number 18. Using the distributive property, simplify. So here we take common as 223 and the remaining is 25 into 6 minus 10 into 15. Okay. So 223, then 150 minus 150. So 223 into 0. So answer is 0. Okay. Now next question. Compare. Compare means first we simplify. Here is different same sign. Same sign means we add, that is minus 9, 5, 14, 4, 2, 6, 7. So absolute value, that is 74, then minus. And okay. So minus, so 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. So minus 4 absolute value is 4. Okay, minus 4 absolute value is 4. Then minus 4, which one is greater? Now minus 4 is greater. So less than. Next question, question number 20. In the given figure, name the line concurrent at point E. Okay, E point here. So which line? That is S line. Question number 20, I. So S line, then P line and T line. Okay. Next question number 2i. One pair of the intersecting line. One pair of the intersecting line R. Okay. Then T. You can write R and T. So point of intersection R and T. Okay. Here and R and T. So R and T is B. So option number 3 is B point. Now next question, question number 21. Calculate 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4. So here if we calculate, that is 1 minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 plus minus 1 plus dot minus 1. Yes or no? So how many minus 1s are there? Total is 150. Then we solve two number, that is minus 1. Then how many? That is 75. Total is 75. Means we can add minus 1 up to 75 times. So our number, so that is minus 75. Okay. Next question number B. find the value, okay, minus 1 to the power 19 into 3 to the power 2 or 3 square into minus 10 to the power 3. So first we solve. We know that minus to the power odd, that is minus 1 to the power any number, that is 1, into 3 to the power 2, that is 9, into minus power odd, that is minus 10 to the power 3, that is 3 to 0. Now minus minus plus 9,000. So answer is 9,000. Okay. Now next question, question number 22. Simplify. So plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 up to 140 times. 140 means even number. Even number means the answer is equal to 0. Because if we are minus 2 plus 2 plus minus 2 then plus 2, that is the even number. Even number means plus 2 minus 2, that is 0. Then plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. It means even number means the answer is equal to 0. Now next question number B. Minus 2 cube, that is minus 8 into 9 minus 1000. So answer is minus minus plus 9 8 just 72,000. Okay. Now question number 23. This is the last questions. सेशन टी भल लगे देन सेशन को लाइक एंड शेयर करो. ओके, तुम सांग मान सहित शेयर करो. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, दैट इज एस्टिमेट आई नंबर 1 2 3 4 into 5 6 7 8. Okay, now estimate. This is multiplication. So 3 means we can write 1 2 0 0. Now here 6 means it will be 6. So into 6 0 0 0. So 6 12 6 are 72, 00 again 000. So answer is this. Okay, 72 lakh. Now next question number 2i, that is 1048 minus 692. So 1000 minus 700. So answer is 300. Okay. So comment your score in the comment box. If you download this PDF, you can join my Telegram or WhatsApp group. Okay. So till then, thank you.